Akansha ma'am. How are you?
Hi, I'm great. Hi, Mehak. How are you?
Hi. So I was just briefly introducing that we are coming up with the Candid Talk Show. So बहुत ही candid रहने वाला है जिसमें we will be talking about your journey, my journey, how we became lawyers, and especially the first generation. So this is what all it is going to be about. So just few seconds of it.
Yeah.
Ma'am, so we everybody know you are a Kansha Mishra, ma'am, and you're very famous with the log tips also. So how come you came up with the idea and just a brief introduction about yourself, please?
So my name is Akanksha, and I am a lawyer by training. I started, practicing right after college, and then my interest sort of deviated into education. So I started working at Loctopus Law School in 2021, and I'm now currently working as the chief executive officer at Loctopus Law School. And now I'm very deeply involved into legal education. And uske saath saath, of course, I started creating some videos on Instagram, and I'm absolutely in love with this platform. So yeah, this has been my journey.
Even we are loving your videos. They are so engaging. And every day which the hassle lawyer is going through, especially explained through memes, जो हम actual में face कर रहे हैं, we are watching in real life. And real life both actually I would say. So that is very engaging. So आपको ये concept कैसे आया कि आप मतलब जो आप usually face कर रहे हो जो आप बना रहे हो या फिर this is how it is about?
तो महक, आपको पता है, मतलब आप भी लॉयर हो, एंड आई थिंक एज अ फर्स्ट जनरेशन लॉयर, एंड स्पेशली एज अ women who started working as a first generation lawyer, स्टार्टिंग में आपको थोड़े से स्ट्रगल्स फेस करने पड़ते हैं. इट इज देयर लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ सिनेरियोज दैट हैपन विथ यू. और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार, व्हाई नॉट create this into humor, because when you talk about serious things in a funny manner, I think people relate to it. सो ह्यूमर,
Yeah.
मैंने बहुत पहले भी किसी को बता रही थी मैं कि आई ऑलरेडी ऑलवेज कनेक्ट विथ ह्यूमर अ लॉट. सो मैंने आई ट्राइड कि थोड़े से कुछ सीरियस सीरियस पेन पॉइंट्स को अगर हम ह्यूमरस वे में अगर करने की कोशिश करें, तो आई थिंक इट विल लैंड, एंड इट डिड. एंड आई वाज वेरी सरप्राइज्ड कि आई एम नॉट अलोन. देयर आर सो मेनी
Hmm.
पीपल एक्चुअली रिलेट टू whatever has happened with me, even as not just as a litigator, but generally even as an educator and on an everyday life. एंड जो मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स से भी सुनती हूँ इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइक कॉर्पोरेट लॉयर्स, तो उसी को मैं थोड़ा सा ट्राई करती हूँ कि क्रिएट इट इनटू सॉर्ट ऑफ अ ड्रामेटिक मीम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ.
नहीं सो इट इज वेरी नाइस एंड एंगेजिंग स्पेशली वो पू वाला जो मैंने अभी रिसेंटली देखा ओ गॉड मतलब ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे लीगल है मामला वाले में से डायरेक्ट उठा के आपने तो ऐसे करके 30 सारी कोर्ट में कोई आ गए और वो बस पू सो इट इज वेरी नाइस वेरी इनोवेटिव एंड इंटरेक्टिव आई वुड से
इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ करेज आउट ऑफ मी, ऑनेस्टली.
डेफिनेटली इट डज डेफिनेटली यू आर डूइंग वेरी गुड वर्क अपार्ट सो अब आपके ना एक्चुअली प्रोफेशनल लाइफ के बारे में भी बात करते हैं सो यू आर सीईओ ऑफ लॉक्टोपस so how come you became and what was your journey like to actually be at such a big position?
Uh, Thank you, Mehak. That is so sweet of you to say this. मतलब, I started my journey at Octopus Law School in 2021. I joined as a learning manager, and I was managing one of the courses, and I was teaching one of the courses, which is contract drafting, which is very close to my heart. And then gradually, I think because I really sort of loved legal education, and I thought कि मैंने ये बहुत बार बोला है कि what we study in college versus what we actually practice in law, बहुत बड़ा gap होता है उसके बीच में.
Definitely.
So we develop the courses which are very practical in nature, ताकि आपको जब आप real world में जाते हो तो आपको बहुत तकलीफ ना हो immediately उस चीज को adapt करने में. And
Hmm.
I think legal education and all the practical skills can be taught, can be, a student can be handholded through that. So we developed a platform for these kind of people who can learn a lot of their skills, acquire these skills before they graduate, so that unko zyada time na lage. So I think I gave my entire heart and soul into this organization. And because I came from that, I could feel the pain of a first generation lawyer who's trying to grow in life. And
Hmm.
that's why I thought, okay, why not, try to sort of help other people, also, and that's why it connected, the objective of the organization sort of really connected with me. तो मैंने
Hmm.
बहुत ज़्यादा अपना heart and soul दिया है इस organization में, and I think that led to Tanuj is the founder of Loctopus, and him being a kind soul, he gave me the opportunity to sort of lead the platform as a CEO.
Hmm.
So that happened with me.
So it is ultimately rewarding. Whatever passion you follow, it will ultimately reward you in return.
It's way,
So
it's for sure, yeah.
yes. So ma'am, you also talked about skills. I would actually like to add on कि skills और courses ऐसे कौन से होने चाहिए which a law student should actually pursue.
महक, आई थिंक स्किल्स तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, अगेन मैंने बहुत बार ये बात बोली है कि अगर आपको सही तरीके से अगर एक अच्छा लॉयर बनना है, चाहे कोई भी फील्ड में आप जाना चाहो, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपकी रिसर्च, आपका ड्राफ्टिंग, these are two very important legal skills that
Hmm.
student must acquire in their law school. एंड वन मोर स्किल विच आई हैव रियली, मतलब मैं बहुत बार बात करती हूँ अगेन ये सारी चीजों के बारे में, but I genuinely feel कि we should know how to network and how to sort of communicate with people also. It's very
Yeah.
important. क्योंकि मुझे भी बहुत सारे इंटर्नशिप्स लेने के टाइम पे, बिकॉज आई कम फ्रॉम सिम्बाइसिस लॉ स्कूल, नॉट फ्रॉम एन एनएलयू, सो मुझे
Hmm.
भी हमेशा एक वो डर रहता था वेन एवर आई वॉज अप्लाइंग टू इंटर्नशिप्स, एंड उस टाइम पे आई नो कि मैंने क्योंकि नेटवर्किंग की, लोगों से बात किया कि इट्स it really works, like when you talk to
Hmm.
people you get a lot of different kinds of opportunities. तो अगर आप वो सीख
Definitely.
सकते हो कि कैसे नेटवर्क करते हैं, कैसे आप you can apply to different kind of internships, that is a very important skill. It doesn't come naturally to you. अगर आप इस पे काम कर सकते हो तो I think really you can get any opportunity under the sun. So this is also a very important skill.
Yes, definitely. So just to add on, so TLP has also launched a TLP conference, which is about networking. So I am also first generation lawyer as you are. So where it is very difficult कि हम लोग network अपना create करें. So to create a network, it is only started in Delhi as of now. But apart from Delhi, all over India, it will be exploring it soon, and we will be launching soon that anybody can attend these conferences. So the first conference was held in March only itself. So we had 15 lawyers all over from different backgrounds. One was from corporate, other was doing forensic, some was one was astrologer and he converted into a lawyer. Considering कि कैसे उसने इतना hardship face किया, he thought the lawyer is the need. Then one was from contract. Every circle we had and specifically we have created कि उसमें mention हो कि वो कहाँ से है. मतलब one their name and second the location they are arriving from. So it actually helped us build a nexus, a small nexus, but maybe in future it could grow and it will get easy for other lawyers also to participate.
Yeah, you must. Everyone must participate because it is such an underestimated skill. But सबसे ज़्यादा reward आपको networking से मिलेगा. To be honest.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So network is actually very important. So ma'am, to begin, another question. So you are handling social media along with Loctopus. So how are you actually managing both of the things? मतलब ये मैं भी multitasking कर रही हूँ, I know that.
हाँ.
It is difficult.
बहुत ज़्यादा multitasking कर रहे हो. आपके पास तो different types of initiative है. I think you must understand this.
Actually, the four verticals, if I tell you, four verticals are going up. One, priorly litigation. 9 to 5 तो जैसे प्रॉपर जॉब वाला टाइम है वो तो है ही है. उसके बाद ड्राफ्टिंग का शुरू हो जाता है बिकॉज 9 to 5 यू कैन डू ड्राफ्टिंग और बैठने का टाइम ही नहीं है. You are running from one court to another. Then the drafting. So I have a team which helps me. So I actually command over कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना. Then there is a weekends which are fixed for social media. I am creating content specifically on weekends. And Mondays and Fridays are usually for webinars और ये sessions. तो ऐसे बाइफरकेट किया हुआ है मैंने. तो अब आप अपना बताओ कैसे चल रहा है.
बहुत अच्छी प्लानिंग है. मेरा आंसर तो इतना ऑनेस्टली आई एम नॉट अ वेरी, मतलब मैं बहुत ज्यादा प्लान करके लाइफ को नहीं जी पाती हूँ. ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, आई एम अ वेरी ऑन द स्पॉट पर्सन यूजुअली. बट हाउ आई वर्क इज लाइक, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे लोग थोड़ा ब्रेक लेते हैं ना बीच में, देख के थोड़ा
हम्म.
वॉक कर लिया या नेटफ्लिक्स देख लिया. So what I do is like when I take a break, I make a video because I think that is my stress buster. मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है वीडियो बनाना कि I
हम्म.
think if I make a video, it will just make me happy. So मैं,
Yeah.
of course, because I'm working here at Loctopus Law School at a position where I have to oversee the entire functioning of the organization. So it takes a lot out of me. I'm handling so many things, at a
हम्म
तो मेंटल कैपेसिटी भी बहुत लगती है, इतना आई एम वेरी बिजी ऑल द टाइम. सो उस बीच में वीडियो बनाने का जो एक वो है ना, एक मतलब एक्साइटमेंट और एक
पैशन और एक्साइटमेंट
वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ लव से आता है. लाइक बिकॉज व्हेन यू लव समथिंग सो मच, व्हेन यू पैशनेट अबाउट समथिंग सो मच ना, यू मेक टाइम फॉर इट. तो मैं इस
हम्म
तरीके से करती हूँ. एंड बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट लॉक्टोपस लॉ स्कूल इज इट्स कंप्लीटली रिमोट, कंप्लीटली वर्क फ्रॉम होम.
हम्म
So I at least get some time to myself where I can, स्विच फ्रॉम माई थोड़ा सा मतलब काम के साथ मैंने थोड़ा सा स्विच करके अगर एक वीडियो बना लिया तो इट्स मैनेजेबल, समथिंग लाइक दैट.
हम्म
बट येस, आई डू मेक टाइम फॉर इट. मैंने ऐसे डेज तो डेडिकेट नहीं किए जैसे आपने.
हम्म
दैट इज, आई थिंक दैट
मैम करना पड़ता है बट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट आई वुड एक्चुअली लाइक टू ऐड ऑन सो इट इज कम्प्लीटली अपॉन माई मेकअप ऑल्सो अगर मैं कहीं बाहर गई हूँ एंड आई हैव डन द मेकअप माई फेस इज रेडी I can create reels at 3 a.m. in the morning or 3 p.m. in. So it depends on ki how my hair is looking and how my face is looking.
is. Oh my god, yes, that happens with me also. You don't
है
want
ना?
to waste it.
It should not get wasted. I will change multiple outfits and then I will send it to editor team कि देख लो और अभी वो they are genuinely after my life तो अभी एक comment भी आया मैम your video is pending. So अभी I am not getting ready. I am not wishing to do makeup. So अभी pending ही चल रहा है तो it goes like that. सो कमिंग बैक टू लिटिल सीरियस कॉन्वर्सेशन कि आपने भी लिटिगेशन प्रैक्टिस की है मैंने भी करी है सो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू हाउ इट इज लाइक यू स्टार्ट विद डिस्ट्रिक्ट देन गो टू हाई एंड देन सुप्रीम कोर्ट और यू डायरेक्टली एंटर द सुप्रीम कोर्ट और मतलब कैसे आपके हिसाब से हाउ शुड बी द पैटर्न ऑफ अ लॉयर
सो महक मतलब मुझे जो एडवाइस दी गई थी व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय करियर, ऑफ कोर्स आई आल्सो हैड सम मेंटर्स एंड आई स्पोक टू देम बिफोर टेकिंग माय स्टेप. सो मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, एवरी स्टूडेंट, दिस इज माय ओपिनियन, एवरी पीपल कैन रियली हैव डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस, बट आई जेन्युइनली बिलीव दैट यू मस्ट स्टार्ट विद द लोएस्ट कोर्ट. अगर आप डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में जाते हो तो यू लर्न द procedural part, the trial, the evidence, which actually makes you into an asset. You will not be able to learn those things in the high court or supreme court in that level, in that. And plus मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है कि it's easier to progress from district court to high court. अगर आप एक बार high court चले जाओ और अगर आप supreme court चले जाओ तब तो आप कभी district court नहीं आना चाहोगे. And you will miss out on some of the learnings. Today I think मैं अगर एजुकेशन में भी कुछ कर रही हूँ या कहीं पे भी कोई भी एंगल ऑफ, बिकॉज लॉ इज सो मैसिव, यू कैन रियली क्रिएट करियर आउट ऑफ एनीथिंग. So if I'm doing anything out of law today, I know I have the confidence because I started from district court. That really
या
creates some very good foundational skills for myself. And it's really important कि आप उस हसल को थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस करो, तब जाके आप एक बहुत, आपके अंदर जो जील आता है, आपके अंदर जो स्ट्रेंथ आता है टू बी एबल टू really do whatever it takes. It comes from district court. When you're on the field, you're looking at people, that's the first time that case is being filed. So I think district court से आपको definitely start करना चाहिए. At least spend 2 years of your initial years in district court, then you have your choice, go wherever you want to.
Yeah, indeed. I also believe the same because, see, in litigation, district court plays the first brick of the foundation. The
Yeah.
first brick has to be in the center and well kept. सो अगर आपको सब लॉज आते हैं सब कुछ आता है अगर जहाँ पे फाउंडेशन केस का बन रहा है बिकॉज ओनली डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट केसेस गो अपसाइड
Yes.
ऐसा ओरिजिनल jurisdiction is very less
Yes.
apart from all the jurisdiction original is very less but the appeals are more in the genuine reality if we go by तो अगर हमारी brick strong है then it can completely follow up to the upstairs.
Exactly. हाँ. And it's important कि आप कहाँ से start कर रहे हो. That really matters a lot in your litigation career.
Yeah, so just एक remind कोई कागज. So there is an AOR in Supreme Court. I will definitely not name it, but he has not appeared to the district. He started a practice with the Supreme Court itself, but he don't know how to do actually the cross examination. So he insisted that whenever your cross would be happening, just let me know because I want to make few changes. मतलब मेरे को ऐसे कुछ questions पूछने सीखना है. So cross is that essential thing in the districts.
Exactly. हाँ, मतलब आप, हाँ, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आप डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में ही सीख सकते हो. बट
बिल्कुल
रियलिटी यही है कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में बहुत खराब भी लगता है व्हेन यू गो देयर, बिकॉज द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज सो पुअर एंड यू हैव टू स्ट्रगल. तो एक जो आप एक बहुत पैशन साथ आप एंटर करते हो लिटिगेशन, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट जाके थोड़ा सा आपका वो मोरल डाउन भी हो
ये
सकता
आपकी
है।
रील्स याद आ रही है मुझे, मेरे माइंड में रिकॉल हो रही है वो सारी रील्स एकदम से।
I
जैसे आप बोल रहे हो वो मेरे को।
बार काउंसिल इज गोइंग टू कॉल मी एंड बी लाइक आप क्या कर रहे हो आप
नहीं
हमारे
नहीं, इट इज एक्चुअली यू शोइंग द रियलिटी, सो
इट
द it is
इज
reality. Either you go by humor or however, it is the reality which everyone is facing, but nobody's talking about.
एग्जैक्टली एंड आई रियली रियली फील लाइक इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट कि हम लिटिगेशन को एक अट्रैक्टिव करियर बनाए, ताकि टैलेंटेड लोग, यंग लोग आ सके हमारे लिटिगेशन के करियर में, तभी तो जाके इतना अच्छा जस्टिस सिस्टम बनेगा, हमारी पेंडेंसी ऑफ केसेस खत्म होंगे, अनलेस एंड अंटिल वी आर एबल टू अट्रैक्ट गुड पीपल। बट आप अट्रैक्ट कैसे करोगे जब आप, मतलब इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गिव मनी इन द बिगनिंग, इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ गुड infrastructure, how to do this? And I suffered, I felt through the pain, and that is why I thought that I really need to talk about it, so that at
Hmm.
least कुछ तो कहीं तो कुछ change हो, या कुछ तो, you know. And I am surprised by the number of people who have reached out to me, Mehak, on DM saying ki, can you please talk to our bar council president, can you please, they're sending me pictures of the washrooms of their court,
Oh,
district courts.
but yeah, it is terrible.
It's terrible. And
Hmm.
matlab, I'm just like, wow, this is, I'm not the only one. Like, there are so many like good cities, which don't have right infrastructure.
Hmm.
Well, we've deviated from the point, but yeah.
Yeah, but the thing is कि ठीक है, whatever you're doing is it is genuine and it is true, so
It is,
ये तो हाँ.
it is true.
But coming back to our original topic,
Yes.
up, what is your take on seniors? Like, are they actually exploiting the students or they are actually encouraging them? How
Uh,
about your also? You can give your example also, like how has your senior been?
मतलब मुझे तो ऐसे ऐसा, आई यू नो बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस आई हैव गॉटन सम गुड सीनियर्स, ऐसा नहीं है, बट यस देयर आर सम सीनियर्स हु आर जस्ट गेटिंग द वर्क डन एंड नॉट सॉर्ट ऑफ even thinking twice ki whether the junior is learning anything or not, and it is
Hmm.
very important. That is why I think choosing your right senior is so important, because आप क्या करते हो ना, आप immediately senior को imitate करने लग जाते हो, not just in
Hmm.
terms of कि वो क्या आपको सिखा रहे हैं, बट वो कैसे आर्ग्यू कर रहे हैं, व्हाट इज देयर बॉडी लैंग्वेज, व्हाट इज देयर प्रोफेशनल एथिक्स, व्हाट इज देयर कोर्ट रूम डीमीन,
Hmm.
आप सब चीज को इमिटेट करने लग जाते हो. सो इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट टू हैव अ सीनियर who is really kind to you, who's really, really, who's concerned about your growth as well. No senior is going to be so deeply involved in your growth, itna zyada, of course, because they are not running a course, right?
Hmm. Definitely.
But there should be some amount of inclination towards your growth. There should be some amount of care कि अच्छा ठीक है, आपको ये समझ आया कि नहीं, can you
Hmm.
tell, sort of, even if they are grilling the junior, if it is with an intention to help the junior grow, I think that is great. So इसलिए ऐसे कुछ सीनियर्स होते हैं जो थोड़ा सा उस माइंडसेट के होते हैं, एक्सप्लॉयटेशन माइंडसेट के होते हैं फॉर श्योर, एंड उसमें उनकी कोई गलती नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट द प्रोफेशन इज सो हेक्टिक, दे डोंट हैव द टाइम टू सॉर्ट ऑफ think about the junior.
To look
But
after each student also, it get difficult. Like if they have multiple.
like, I mean,
Hmm.
आप ये चीज को अग्री करोगे कि आज आपके पास अगर कोई जूनियर आएगा तो यू कांट बी कॉन्स्टेंटली टीचिंग देम, बट
Yeah.
you must definitely have slightly, like you must have slight kindness and care towards your junior ki whether this person is really growing in your chamber or not.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
it's important. And I've seen some great seniors who are genuinely concerned. मतलब आप वो लेके नहीं बैठेंगे, आपको होमवर्क नहीं कराएंगे, बट वो डेफिनेटली आपसे कम से कम 4 सवाल पूछेंगे रोज कि आपने आज
Hmm.
क्या सीखा, या आपको ये समझ आया क्या, कि ये ड्राफ्ट ही कर दो, थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग आपको टास्क भी देंगे,
Hmm.
just to make sure that you're learning every day. So
Yeah.
it's important to choose such kind of seniors.
Yeah. So according to you, what should be a checklist of a senior? मतलब how to select a senior checklist.
आई विल, ये सवाल मैंने अपने आप से पूछा होता जब मैं सीनियर चूज कर.
But you can help other students by this.
But this is a great question, Mehak. I think it's very important. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि immediately the moment you starting your career ना, I don't think you should work with very senior people, like people who are like really old, like they're really already they're successful in their lives. I think उनके साथ आप काम नहीं करोगे तो ज्यादा better रहेगा, because they're already they're loaded with work, and they have so many cases. They are not going to
Hmm.
give depend on you. You're just going to be
Yeah.
one person sitting in the corner and observing things. That's it. I think first checklist is, of course, work with like a mid-level, not too senior, not too junior sort of a senior, so that they can thoda sa divide kar sakte hain work. They can
Hmm.
actually give you some work because they need help. go to a chamber where the senior needs help. You will
Hmm.
automatically learn so much. So
Yeah,
that's
true.
second is, of course, you must align with their value system. I think it's very important. If you're not liking certain things that your senior is doing, then it will be a clash. You'll constantly be in the internal clash, and you will not be able to grow better. So you must really align with the value system of your senior. And third is that the culture should not be very like it should not be toxic. Like you must go to a place where the work is hectic, there is intensity in work, but everybody is growing happily in their own, in a nice,
Hmm.
like in a supportive and a cooperative sort of a culture
Teamwork should be there, basically.
देर. हाँ, ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत टॉक्सिसिटी ना हो, बहुत ज्यादा अब्यूज ना हो, और ये जो कि बहुत कॉमन है हमारे
Hmm.
तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि ये सब चीजें भी आप थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो. तो ये तीन चीज अगर आपका हो गया ना चेकलिस्ट, बाकी आई थिंक यू कैन डील विथ लिटरली एनीथिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू मी.
Short checklist, ma'am, please. What will be a short checklist? कि अगर how to find a perfect senior shortlist checklist in short.
I should reel on this. This is very nice.
Yes, this is a very good. मैं दोबारा से रिपीट कर लेती हूँ. अब रील इसकी बना देंगे. How to find a perfect senior short checklist by Akansha ma'am
Thank you so much. महक
on the Lawyepedia. मेरी भी प्रमोशन होनी चाहिए.
जी.
So one, there should be a mid-level senior. Second, they should be having work, and third, the office should be having a teamwork. It
Like,
should not be a toxic environment.
second one was to align with your value system of the values should align with your senior.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
मैं बताऊंगी
perfect.
reason, आपको पता चल जाएगा.
So, is there any specialization should also a person follow to actually grow in life?
I think it's completely dependent on the person, but I think specialization should come at a later stage, not in the beginning, क्योंकि आपको starting में इतना नहीं पता होता है कि आपका क्या final goal होना चाहिए. So I
Hmm.
think starting में you must experiment a lot. I think experimentation is so important, so important in your life. So I think you must experiment in the beginning, and the specialization should be a consequence of your experimentation. इट शुड नॉट बी कि अच्छा ठीक है पापा ने बोला है या सीनियर ने बोला है तो ये कर लेते हैं. दैट्स नॉट हाउ
Hmm.
it must definitely always go through your real skills, your real expectation, and once you're clear कि okay ठीक है, I think this is my inclination, then please go for specialization. And आप नहीं भी करना चाहते हो, your choice. It's
Hmm.
completely depending on what your goal in life is.
Good. Yeah, definitely. So, according to you, has internship plays an important role in the life of a law student?
Oh my God, I can't even tell you how important internship is. Like internship ने मैंने तो जो भी achieve किया life में, it's only because of so many different kinds of internships that I've done in my life. That has given me the real like clear picture in my life, because I have been such a confused student all my life. Even after graduation, like even when I was litigating, I was still in that sort of a dilemma कि मैंने क्या सही चीज चुना है कि नहीं चुना, and it's completely fine to feel that way.
Hmm.
तो आई रियली फील दैट इंटर्नशिप्स का बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है एक लॉ स्टूडेंट की लाइफ में, और हमें तो 5 साल दिए जाते हैं. आई रियली फील कि 5 साल तो आपको इंटर्नशिप के लिए ही दिए जाते हैं. यू
Hmm.
मस्ट एक्सप्लॉइट इट टू द बेस्ट पॉसिबल मैनर, because like for example I interned in NDTV, okay, and I interned
Okay.
in like academic institution also, and अलग अलग बहुत अलग अलग वेज में मैंने इंटर्न किया. And people would ask me कि अच्छा आप इस बार कहाँ इंटर्न कर रहे हो, and I would tell them I'm interning at so and so place, and they would be like ये क्या है, ये तो लॉ से भी रिलेटेड नहीं है. So I was like why not, क्यों नहीं मैं
Hmm.
एक्सप्लोर, मुझे नहीं पता ना मुझे क्या करना है. So इंटर्नशिप आप करो, बिल्कुल करो, और बहुत ज्यादा एकदम थॉट डाल के करो. आई थिंक दैट विल रियली हेल्प यू अ लॉट. एंड फिफ्थ ईयर तक भी आपको अगर क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि मुझे क्या करना है, absolutely fine, it's completely fine, it will work
Hmm.
out. Like at the end of the day you will know ki what is your calling.
Yeah, definitely. Likewise, I would say internship has actually helped me a lot. Whether I should be going to litigation or corporate. So my main dilemma was because as a law student, we are always confused in either fixed income or the everyday hustle.
Yeah.
So by default, ultimately, once you get the taste of litigation, it is very difficult to leave. Matlab, this was saying, now I believe it.
Yeah.
कि it is actually very difficult because you are actually leaving your freedom. अगर आप अपनी फ्रीडम छोड़ के कहीं जा रहे हो तो nobody would actually would like. So that is my scenario also. So either I am on complete vacation or complete working. So extreme cases दोनों चलते हैं मेरे. तो ऐसे ही बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं. Yeah. So lastly, last question. Has moot courts और मॉक ट्रायल्स जो हमारे कॉलेज में इंट्रोड्यूस होते हैं, ये कॉम्पिटिशन्स, दे हाउ दे हेल्प एन इंडिविजुअल टू ग्रो?
So Mehak, when I was in college, I was very scared to do moot courts because I was like, कि मतलब कैसे? I was very scared about it. But honestly, and I always thought कि people would tell me, my seniors would tell me कि moot courts are nowhere close to arguing in courts. They're very different. आपको ये सिर्फ experience के लिए करना चाहिए. It's okay, this, that, etc. And then I of course did it myself. I tried myself, and honestly, of course, the procedures are different. Okay, moot court ka procedure is different, and when you're arguing in court, it's completely different. But the amount of confidence that it gave me, because today I was a very like I was scared in public speaking. Okay,
Hmm.
people would not think like that. Even I myself don't think like that today. But I was always scared of public speaking, and I think moot court sort of gave me that confidence. Ki that honestly put that one first time जो मेरे दिमाग में thought आया that I should get into litigation was because of moot court. So I
Okay.
genuinely believe कि क्योंकि as a third year law student, when you are not when you're just law for you is just like looking at movies, watching movies, and looking at people appear in courts like that in a dramatic way. The
Hmm.
first time when you are able to appear like that in front of the judge through a moot court sort of really tells you a lot about the profession. And I
Hmm.
think that yes, it will not substantially teach you anything about argumentation and litigation, but it will definitely give you a feel of it. It will definitely grow your confidence. So I genuinely believe that you must at least try it once in your life. आपको ये कोई स्टैम्प नहीं है कि आपने मूड कोर्ट नहीं किया तो you will lag behind or you will be left behind or your CV will not be good or whatever.
Hmm.
No, it doesn't work out like that. But yes, it's an experience to have, and you must definitely try it once in your life for sure.
Yeah, definitely. So I think so everybody has their hilarious and extremely funny incidents जो mood court first time जा रहे होते हैं. So are there any of yours? Because I have mine. Mine is very funny actually.
Only tell that I don't have any funny incidents like that.
So I was actually appearing in the second year. That was my first mood. So I was fully prepared. I have to do cross. That was actually mock trial. So mock trial में क्या होता है, आपका प्रॉपर ट्रायल चल रहा है एंड यू हैव टू क्रॉस एग्जामिन दी पर्सन. अब मैं उस क्रॉस एग्जामिन में लैंडमार्क जजमेंट्स ले गई और उससे पूछ रही हूँ, क्लाइंट से पूछ रही हूँ कि दिस जजमेंट में ये हुआ था, आपने ये सब चीजें क्यों नहीं की. इट वॉज समथिंग रिलेटेड टू क्रिमिनल मर्डर या पता नहीं क्या था, मुझे याद नहीं. बट कहते उस जजमेंट को मैंने रेफर करते हुए उससे सारे क्वेश्चन पूछे थे और अल्टीमेटली आई गॉट डिस्क्वालिफाइड बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट अलाउड टू पुट जजमेंट्स. ये मुझे बाद में पता चला था
But कुछ
बिकॉज वी
लाइफ की स्टोरी बन गई फिर बाद में.
हाँ, ये बहुत फनी स्टोरी बन गई कि सारे अब टीज करते हैं बिकॉज व्हेन यू हैव द सेम सर्कल अराउंड दे आर लाइक यू विल गो इन क्रॉस एंड स्टार्ट विद द लैंडमार्क बिकॉज स्कूल में इतना प्रेशर क्रिएट करते हैं. यू हैव टू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ लैंडमार्क केसेस, यू हैव टू रिसर्च. तो वो वही रहता है ना कि एवरी आंसर में भी आपको बोलना है तो इसमें भी बोलना ही होगा बाय डिफॉल्ट. There is nobody to cross check actually. So this was my suggestion to my team also and the organization that the person who's building up questions, the question should be cross checked so that they are not embarrassed later on कि ये क्या पूछ लिया. नहीं तो एक तो बिल्कुल बॉलीवुड की तरह पूछ रहा था वहां पे, ऐसे शोर मचा मचा के. बिकॉज इन कोर्ट्स वी आर एट अ वेरी डिसेंट वॉइस, वी आर कामली आस्किंग, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता जैसा दिखाते हैं मूवीज में.
Yeah.
So the person was on this peak of the volume कि ऐसा किया है, तू नहीं किया है, कि तू ही जिम्मेदार है इसका. तो
I think all of us come from so many different kinds of backgrounds and images in our head that, law is like this, lawyer is like
yeah,
this. Everybody wants to sort of unleash and explore their version of being a lawyer. So it's very fun to see the kind of people who come to, argue for when they go for their first moot court competition. So
yeah,
it's,
even moot court or first, even the I have realized the first day in the court also is very funny for everybody. कुछ ना कुछ उसमें हो ही जाता है by default.
true, true. That is true. That is true.
So let's go on to the last segment, that is rapid fire, because जो हमने question सोचे थे it is already been a long time of the conversation. So
Right.
let's go to the last one. So it
Yeah.
is the final rapid round. You have to answer it in the shortest way possible, and there will be no hamper in return, so you can liberate accordingly. ठीक है, so this is just for fun.
Yeah.
So what would you choose, district court or high court?
District court.
Bare acts or commentaries?
Bare acts. No, commentaries, commentaries.
Commentaries. Research or courtroom arguments?
Courtroom arguments, but research is more important. But I would choose courtroom arguments because I love it.
Yeah, because once the research is good, then only the arguments will be great. So one legal skill every lawyer must have.
Oh my God, so many legal skills. But I think you must know how to research and draft. Research and drafting would be legal skills. Yeah.
So what is the best advice you have received from senior? Only one.
Okay. Once my senior told me that only you know you are small, the world doesn't know it. So behave like a lawyer from day one. So that's when I printed my visiting cards also right after
Hmm.
graduation from college because I thought ki matlab why do I have to wait to sort of feel big and then only I am a lawyer from day one. So this
Yeah.
is good advice. I think for everyone, just only you know that you have just started. Nobody else needs to know that.
Yeah. Jinx with this, but I coming up this with after the rapid fire. So I did the same actually.
Oh, really?
I did this in 2016 when I actually enrolled as a law student because I was mentally prepared that I am a lawyer from now. So I visited Supreme Court and I realized कि यही मेरी अब कर्म भूमि है, यही रहना है मैंने. So the next question is your favorite legal text tool beside from Loctopus.
Legal tech tool. See, I use ChatGPT, Notebook LM, and Grok a lot. Gamma also
Okay.
a lot. मैंने बहुत सारे बता दिए, but these are
Hmm.
I use on an
For
everyday basis.
PPDs, Gamma is the best.
Gamma, I love Gamma, and there's one more legal tool. I think Napkin.ai. I've spoken a lot about it. People should really explore Napkin.ai. It's amazing to build some good graphs and good structures if you need for your PPT. It's amazing. You should try.
Can you repeat like pointer wise one, two, three, for which is best for which one?
ChatGPT everybody is aware about. You can
Yeah. Hmm.
Doc is very good for deep research in case if you want to write like articles and research paper and very deep thinking. So that's good for Grok. You can use Claude, also similar to ChatGPT. I think it has better. I think it gives better results according to me.
Okay.
Gamma is for PPTs, very good
Hmm.
PPT. Napkin.ai is basically for creating good structures and graphical, some segmentations if you want to put it in your PPT. You should try once. I think if you explore napkin.ai, you'll be very clear about what it is. And then there's Notebook LM. I think Notebook LM, everybody is aware about it.
Hmm.
So these are some of the tools that I really use a lot on an everyday basis. And you can really do so much with these tools.
Yeah, definitely. These are actually helpful for law students or even after lawyer.
Anyone.
Like for lawyer, anyone. Yeah,
Yeah.
generally.
Yeah.
So litigation in last and final question, litigation. As per you, what is your final take on litigation as a word?
As one word.
Hmm.
Oh my.
Litigation के लिए
One
आप
word
क्या?
would be कि आप persistence would be the word. Just if you're not persistent about it, if you're not consistent about it, बाकी सारी चीजें fail हो जाएगी. So yeah, I think persistence is the word.
Yeah, likewise, and for me, smart work and hard work both goes aligned.
Right. Smart work and hard work is good. Yeah.
Yeah. So yes, that is it for the live session. It was lovely interacting with you.
Same here में है. So I had so much fun. Time ऐसे निकल गया पता भी नहीं चला.
Actually, we crossed 30 minutes.
Great.
But
Thanks a
yes,
lot.
I would definitely love to see you in Delhi anytime you're visiting. And as per I was saying, Pune में मैं जब भी आऊंगी, मैं जिस भी corner में आऊंगी, I'll let you know. Pune.
I will live in Nagpur, not Pune again.
Oh, oh God. ठीक है.
In Nagpur.
ठीक.
Yeah, sure.
Def yeah, definitely. Thank you so much for your time. It really means a lot. And I hope it was helpful for other law students and lawyers as well.
Thank you so much, Sahil. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care.